we're hiding now. I'm gonna tell you how much this dirt costs. Oh, jeez. What? I thought we could creep on the dirt guy. We're getting dirt today delivered. Last year we creeped on him too. Woo! Where can we hide? There. Uh-oh, he's getting out of his truck. Oh, I don't want him to see us. Wait a minute. Look at my dog is done. Look at that. My dog gets up here and scratches. Oh my lands, I didn't realize it was this bad. Oh jeez. Okay, back to the dirt. You got out and you assessed the situation? Oh, I don't know if Rob wants it there. Oh, I guess it's gonna go there. Oh, wait a minute. Holy crap. We're spying on the dirt guy. I hope he doesn't see us. So far, so good. Oh, jeez. He's putting it in the yard. Wonder if Rob wanted it there. I guess that's where it's gonna go. Okay, here it goes, you guys. You ready? Let me see if I can zoom us in a little. Oh, there we go. That's better. Yep. Spying on the dirt man. Yeah. Oh, jeez. That's a lot of dirt. That whole truck. Oh my. Rob's gonna be busy. Let's all say it together. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Poor Rob. We say poor Rob a lot. I locked my dog in the bathroom, so if you hear like crazy noises, it's the dog. That's a lot of dirt. Oh, look. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, you gotta put that thing down. Okay. Hey, you see that tree right there? That's actually a tulip tree. That gets tulips on it in the spring. I will show you one day in a video. Oh, this is just cool. Okay. Come on. Now, we already paid the man, so he should just leave, I would think. All right, we're not gonna sit here. Oh, getting out of the truck. Oh. Oh, does he have to lock that? I don't know about dump trucks. You gotta lock that thing. Oh, he's coming. We're hiding now. He's coming. Oh, wrong way. Okay, I gotta go get the door. I'll be right back. All right, he brought me like the bill. Let's see, what do we got? All right, let's see. I'm going to tell you how much this dirt costs. $167.62. What? We spend $167 on dirt. Who wants to spend $167 on dirt? Not this girl. How much did we get? It says number 1 screened. It's topsoil. Okay, so there shouldn't be rocks in it then? There shouldn't be. May contain kernels. Kernels? Okay. Pieces of aged wood chips. Okay, I can do that. And very small stones that may pass through the screen. All right. Dump in between the flags. Okay. I don't know what that's about. It doesn't say how much we got. Oh, 6 yards. I had to keep reading. 6 yards of screened topsoil for $167.62. Got dirt.